figured it's been a while to do a little video. So this is 1997 3000 GT VR4, and I'm just gonna do a little pedal install that I got these for Christmas. Going on a year, I guess now, but I'll show you what we got now. Currently, I'll do a full video on this thing eventually. Show you what I have, but for now. So anyways, we're just gonna take those covers off, and then the gas pedal one just screws right over that one, and then the dead pedal, it just goes right over the top of that as well. Those ones, I hope that the existing screws aren't in any way. I don't believe they are. So I'm gonna set it up and see what we get. I had to step up the bottom ones a 1/4 inch because they were off, but those ones are drilled, and then the plastic just gets pre-drilled, and this one I should just be able to run the screw straight into it on the dead pedal. So it's just all plastic. Here it is. Time to get it installed. So I'm currently trying to swap over my grips, and these things are a pain in the butt to take off, but I'm going to pull them off, and then I'll show you the ones I'm throwing on. I got the Vans grips. Alright, so just got the grips off. I'm going to show you guys in case anyone ever has to do something like this, but the way I did it, because I got like these metal cages on them. I don't know how you would describe it, but if you have that problem and you can't just slice your grip, I just took a screwdriver and I kind of like worked it out from the first part inside just a little bit, enough to where I could like squeeze the screwdriver in the front part of the cage. I pushed it through and I just kept pulling out on it like this with the screwdriver in it. Easiest way I found. Anyways, Oh, these are the grips that I got, the Vans. I just thought the color would look kind of good. Oh, shit. I don't drop them all over the place. I figured it'd look good with the bike. I think I'm gonna like it pretty good. Anyway, I'm gonna get them put on. There's tons of videos on how to do it. I just figured I'd show a quick little thing since I've been showing the bike parts getting swapped on. Anyway, I believe the bigger one went on the throttle side, because usually when you get the right size for your bars, there's one that has a bigger opening, and then the bigger one's for the throttle, since it has the whatever, I don't even know what you call it, the big plastic piece on it for the throttle. And the smaller one's just going to go straight on your bar. I'm going to try it without brake cleaner because I plan on riding this like right when I get them on. Otherwise I'd put brake cleaner inside to help it slide on, but I'm going to try the most difficult way so I don't have to worry about anything drying up. Okay, just got them all installed. I ended up having to use a little bit of electronic cleaner just because it was way too difficult. We'll just say that. One thing I did learn from watching videos on how to do it, they suggest that when you put them on, don't smack the end because you'll just create a ring and pretty much cut out your grip on the end. So I figure that's a tip worth noting. Throttle seems fine. They seem really, really sticky, which is what everyone talks about, but I wear gloves anyway, so it doesn't matter. But I don't know. Maybe next time I'll do black. I'm not sure how I feel about the classic brown shoe bottom look, but I thought I'd like it a lot more than what I do. But for now, it's fine. Anyway, that's this video. I'm going to tag it along with my pedal swap that I did a couple of weeks ago on the VR4, and I need to get done. So until next time.